At their technical centre in northern Chennai, Ashok Leyland has transformed over 20 acres of unproductive land into a diverse, ecologically relevant wetland forest park. This project, designed and developed by Auroville Botanical Gardens, began in October 2016. Since then, over 4,000 native trees and shrubs have been planted. Showing extraordinary growth rates, some trees have already reached over 3 meters in height after only 1 year. Within the forest area, the combination of water and dry land, created by the initial excavation work, has provided a range of habitats that is now home to thriving populations of birds, butterflies and other insects. Thanks to the vision of Ashok Leyland, visitors to the area can now experience the power of green corporate initiatives to transform our environment in a positive way. Looking to the future, Auroville's Botanical Garden hope many more initiatives like this are yet to come.